This shrub is the Symphoricarpos albus, also known as the common snowberry. This is one of the most widespread shrubs across North America. You can find it here on the coast and also in the interior. It likes open forests like this one and relatively drier areas. If you're looking for its growth habit, it's quite upright in shape with a kind of spreading top. It can get to about 2 meters in height when it's at its full growth. If you want to look at the leaves, you have to be careful because they can be quite variable in shape. The older leaves tend to have a smooth margin and are kind of oval in shape, whereas often younger leaves have a much more wavy leafed edge to them and look quite different. You might even think that they're entirely different plants, so make sure to look at more than one leaf. Another trait that you can look at is that the leaves actually come out opposite along the stem. That is very important because there's not as many plants that have opposite branching leaves. If you look at the twigs closely, they're also distinctive. The twigs are very thin and kind of grayish and brownish in color. So make sure to look at the thinness of the twigs. They're very delicate. If it's early summer, you might be able to see the flowers. The flowers are white to pink with a little urn shape and are often occurring towards the ends of the branches. They come in clusters, and once the berries develop, they become a cluster of white drupe-like berries that persist throughout the fall and even through into the winter time. So this shrub can become easier to identify in the fall and winter than it is in the springtime. So if you're in an open forest in a drier area, look for this shrub. It has the opposite branches of the leaves and varied leaf shape, so make sure to look closely at more than one leaf. And the featured plant is Symphoricarpos albus, the common snowberry.